Welcome back to another video of Changing Lanes.
So in this video we went from Cebu and we took a flight over to Palawan. And then we drove up to Julie Beach where we just spent a bunch of time relaxing and enjoying the scenery. So you guys check it out for yourselves.
So this next half is going to be about El Nido. You've probably heard of it. It's the most one of the most popular spots in the entire Philippines. It is absolutely up to the standard. Although there were a lot of people on some of the tours that we did, it was still awesome. I would still recommend going and just going out there and enjoying the scene and loving life. Alright guys, here's some of the some clips of the hotel where we're staying right now. It's absolutely amazing. Here in Palawan, Philippines. Palawan, Philippines. Here's the infinity pool. Let me show you this view real quick. Wow. Look at that. And pretty soon we'll be up there for her birthday surprise. Whose birthday is it in a couple of days? Woo woo!
Be 21.
Hey, Will. Are you excited for your shrimp dinner?
I know you didn't order me shrimp.
Yes, I did.
Is that at the bar?
Yeah. Yeah. I think they'll accept us.
Are we the only ones gonna be here?
I don't know. Happy birthday, babe.
Oh, babe. I love it so much. Thank you.
21?
So perfect. Zero looks so annoyed right now.
What is going on over here?